se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very exciting video. I have an unboxing on a new handbag that I recently got. I actually literally got it today. So I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys and share with you my new purse. I am so excited. I can't wait to show it to you guys. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome. If you guys are new around here, my name is Fabiola, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. And I also love to blog, so make sure to follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGOFFICIAL.com. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing. So here is the box. Like I said, I literally just got it and it still has like the tape and everything. So I'm just going to open this. And if you didn't see the title of the video, it is a Louis Vuitton purse. I saw it online and I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. And it took me like a couple days for me to decide which one I really wanted, because they have them in like so many different colors. So here it is, you guys. And it is very small. It's a very small box. I was actually quite surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. So I guess we'll see. And they packaged it very nicely. Here it is. Here's the box. And then they also included a shopping bag, like a tall shopping bag. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So here it is, you guys. So exciting. And I love their packaging. So inside I do have the receipt. I did get it at Nordstrom just because I have like a Nordstrom card, and you do get points when you get things from Nordstrom. And it comes with its dust bag, Louis Vuitton, and ready, you guys? It's pink. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! It is this gorgeous rose poudre purse, and oh my goodness, I love this. It has like the LV imprinted all in the front and all in the back. It doesn't have it on the sides, so the sides is just the leather. And I believe this style is called the monogram rose poudre empreinte leather. And I was actually debating between this one and the Vernice, also in the rose poudre. But I did speak to my SA, and he did tell me that the Vernice is actually very hard to clean, and if you rub it against like anything, it literally will stain your purse. And he definitely did say that it's not for an everyday use. So I opted to get this one, the empreinte leather, and oh my goodness, you guys, it's so pretty. The inside is made out of that like fabric material, so you do have to be like very careful. And it comes with like one of these little booklets. And inside, so this is like one of the main reasons why I got this purse, because you not only get like the purse itself, so you do get this like insert inside with like the same style and everything. It's so pretty, you guys. So it's like getting like a bunch of things in one. You get the like the small purse, and then you get this, which can be used like a little wallet. It's so beautiful, and it has like the leather inside. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is gorgeous, you guys. And also inside there is a card holder. Look how beautiful this is. So you can definitely fit like 8 different cards in here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. It's also pink on the inside. So you do get like these 2 inserts with this. And there's also like a little side pocket right here. There is it's called the Vuitton Felicie Pochette Rose Poudre, just in case you're wondering. And this one here says made in the USA. So it comes with this beautiful gold chain. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. So it comes with like a really beautiful chain. You can also use it if you want it like shorter style. You can literally just kind of like crisscross it inside like so, and then you do get like a shorter chain. But I really love this. This is definitely so pretty. And obviously, I mean, if you don't want the chain, you can take it off and just use it as a clutch, or you can get like a different strap. And I do have my strap from the Neo Noe, which is also in Rose Poudre, so I'll be able to use it like both ways. But oh my goodness, this is so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna show you very quickly what it looks like as a crossbody and also as a clutch. So this is what it looks like when you put it just like over your shoulder. It literally hits me like right below the hip area, which looks very pretty. I am 5'6" for reference, and if you use it as a crossbody, it's like the perfect size. It looks so beautiful. You can also just use it as a clutch. So you can just take off the chain that it comes with, and you can just use it as like a clutch for like a night out. It is so pretty, you guys. I love it. So that was it for my unboxing on my new Louis Vuitton purse. I am so happy with it. I love it. I'm going to leave you guys the exact link on where you guys can find this, and this is definitely something that I would recommend. It's so beautiful, very in style, and it does come in like so many colors. They also have it in black, which I'm actually considering getting also. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys loved it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.